Intentionals, and welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, I want to say thank you for joining this family. To the old subscribers and returning viewers, I'm very grateful. All right, and if it's the kind of content you like and you're just meeting our channel for the very first time, please do well to subscribe to our channel and join this wonderful family. I tell you, you will have a whole lot to learn. So today, let's dive into what we have already. We are going to do a Molato soap. All right, all these soaps I'm showing you are all whitening soaps. Have Ashanti, Nano Extra White, Larissa, Papaya, AK Brothers, Kojic-san, extracts, and whitening booster. Then we'll have rose water, vitamin E, half cast oil, yellow and red. Then we'll have snow white. All right, so all you will do at this time is to bring them all out and shred them. All these things are all whitening soaps. All right, so you must not go with this one. You understand? Every whitening soap out there can be used to formulate Molato. Molato normally is a combination of whitening soaps. That is just it. All right, now you can imagine that, okay, you only use extract and it lightens your skin. How much more when you combine it with other whitening soaps? Can you have a picture of what it looks like? So that is what Molato is. I'm not going to tell you that, oh, this one is going to do you this, because these ones are already formulated soaps that are well known out in the market. Many of them have, virtually all of them have NAFDAC numbers, and some are foreign birth. All right, so before they will come around, they must have undergone a lot of processes and were approved by dermatologists. So they are all good for your skin. All right, so you can get any of the whitening soap out there, as many as you can. If you cannot get all of these numbers I got, please just get the one you can. You can get 3, you can get 4, mix them together, you've gotten your own Molato. All right, so on this soap I use half of every of the soap except Ashanti, Larissa, and K Brother that I use full. Like I use one of it. Other ones I use half. And at the end of the video, you're going to see how many I was able to make. I just added the half cast oil. That's the yellow one. Next I'm adding is the half cast oil, the red one. These things just help to activate, to give you a better result. So you have some will tell you you want to have a 7 shade, 5 shade, and stuff like that. So what I added before this is papaya oil. All right, so if you have carrot oil or any of these oils that helps to lighten your skin, please do well to add to it. Now I am adding vitamin E. I added 5 capsules. If you don't have this type, you can have the one that looks like that papaya oil. You can just add few drops. 5 drops is okay. All right, so that is all you need for this, and you are good to go. Don't stress yourself. Don't do too much. If you can't do all these things, please just do as much as you can. Like I said before, Molato is a combination of whitening soaps. Now, to make this easier for me to blend or to pound, I had to add 2 cups of rose water. Now I'm adding snow white powder. Snow white powder helps as well to make this far more effective. Next I added was turmeric powder. You already know that turmeric powder is a lightening agent. It's whenever you want to using it on your skin, either on your face or on your bathing soap, whatever it is you want to make use of it, it lightens your skin. So next I'm adding is preservative, because I want this to stay for like 3 to 4 months for me, and I added water. Don't forget, I will have to preserve it. Next I added was glycerin, a tablespoon of each. I used German Plus preservative. It has been tested to be one of the best preservative we have around here. All right, now I had to what's it called, pound it. But if you have a mortar and pestle at home that you're not cooking with, you are good to go. You don't even need to add that water I added. You understand? I had to add this so as to make it easier for me to pound and give me that fluffy feelings. If you don't add this water, it might not give you that fluffy feelings. But don't add ordinary water. All right? Don't add ordinary water. Okay, so at this point, because I know I'm going to make use of hand mixer, so I need to pound it to make it far easier for my hand mixer to blend very well. All right, now check out my own skin. I've been using this for myself for a very long time, and it's giving me, this video is not even doing justice to my skin. All right, so you too can do this. Either you save money by doing it yourself, or you make money by doing it and giving to others. You don't need to say, oh, this is or you're going to have this one is going to not be good for their skin, stuff like that, because they are already approved soaps by dermatologists that you're going to combine to make this Molato soap. All right, so I had to blend this to smooth texture I wanted. Look at it, it's just coming out so well, and I'm really loving the outcome. Many people use so much powder. If you use so much powder in your Molato soap, it changes the color of your soap, and you might not like it at the end of the day. I love my soap looking this. If I want it to be pink, I would just do pink colors. Like you use whitening soaps that are pink in color, it will give you that pink color. If you want it to be mint or green, use these soaps that have that color. They're going to give you that color at the end of the day. All right, so this is all about Molato soap. You too can do it. All right, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. If you found value, please share to those that will be interested in this video. All right, don't forget, it's either you save money or you make money. Nobody is coming to save you.